welcome back to my channel. Today, I am hanging out with a very special guest. Hi. It's Ricky Dillon.
It's me. What's up?
I'm really excited because
I'm excited to be here.
We're finally baking together.
Finally. We've been trying for a long time.
It doesn't matter. You're here.
We're here.
I am so excited.
Me too.
And I'm also excited to maybe teach you a few skills in the kitchen because I saw that cooking video.
Yes, so I don't know anything about cooking.
So you would say you're a beginner baker.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm very beginner.
I picked a recipe today that I thought that would be really good for a beginner baker because it's cookies. It's also fall time, and these are themed fall cookies. Look how cute these are.
I'm obsessed.
This recipe is from my new cookbook, Baking All Year Round. If you want to check it out, I'll put a link down below. They're little harvest corn cookies. It's a peanut butter recipe.
I love peanut butter.
Yeah, you said you
I
like
love
peanut
corn,
butter.
even though corn's not in it, but it looks like corn.
Yeah, it has simple flavors, and instead of any fancy fondant work, just stick on these cute little Reese's Pieces candies and do a little piping.
And I don't know what piping is, but I'm gonna learn.
We'll teach you.
Okay,
We got
I'm
you
excited.
covered. Ricky, you're gonna pipe today.
I'm gonna pipe today. Let's get started.
So the recipe we're making today is gonna be a peanut butter sugar cookie recipe, and all the ingredients I have in front of me, I will be putting them and the measurements in the description. So if you'd like to follow along and make this, you can. All right, Ricky, are you ready for the first step?
I think so. I'm nervous. What if I mess up?
I like that you're like, what if we mess up? We haven't even done anything yet. There's flour, cornstarch, and salt. So
And a fly.
Fly! No, fly! He knows as soon as he lands, he's done. He knows.
We have a fly swatter.
Perfect. Where is it? He went over me, he's taunting us. Oh, he's gonna land! He's gonna land! He's gonna land! So now that that's done, it's time to bake. We're gonna start mixing together our dry ingredients.
Okay.
You've got your flour, cornstarch, and salt. So Ricky, here you go.
Salt?
Yes, salt. Because when you're making sweets, you also complement it with a little salt.
I did not know that.
Yeah, they go
I learned
together.
something new already. Okay.
All right, pour them both in there, all in, just dump them in.
Boom.
See, look how easy that is.
Oops.
You got it, you got it.
Okay. Yay!
And now,
all right.
I'm gonna have you whisk together till well combined.
Like this?
Yeah, just try to keep it in the bowl. I know this is kind of a small bowl.
Yeah,
Maybe I
don't
should have
wanna-
got you a bigger bowl.
Make a mess.
This is actually a challenge video.
Yeah.
Try to mix together all these dry ingredients in a small bowl and can't mess up any.
The new YouTube fad.
Okay, perfect. But step one.
I'm a cook.
You did it.
I'm a baker.
Baker.
Yeah.
Baker badge. If I had a badge, I would give it to you right now. I'd be like this.
Baker badge.
Like a Boy Scout, and you get your little badge.
I was a Boy Scout. I quit after a year though.
I was gonna say, where's your baker
But
badge?
I got some badges though. Like
Okay,
I
what
got some.
badges did you get?
I was like 8.
Also, if this is your first time to my channel, or you haven't seen Ricky's channel, Ricky has a cute little pig.
I do. I have a
Tell us
pig.
about your pig. She's so cute.
She's the best. I love her. She's just so calm and easy. And she just like hangs out in the backyard and eats grass all day. That's like all she does.
Anyways, we digress. Let's move on to the next step. I'm gonna move this over here, and I'm gonna post some really cute pictures of Ricky's pig. I'm gonna put them up right here. Boom, 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 boom.
She's a model.
Yeah, also she has an Instagram, so we'll be linking to that as well if you want a cute little pig to follow. If you watch a lot of my videos, you know the next step is we cream together our butter and sugar, but today we're also gonna be adding the peanut butter. Ricky, I'm gonna have you lift the stand mixer, lift this up. So you've gotta unlock it on this side. Okay, so Ricky, let me
I don't know what
introduce you to,
this is.
this is a stand mixer.
Okay.
And it stands here
And
it mixes things.
Got it. It's cute.
Now there's also, you know a whisk, you use these.
I just did today.
Yeah. Do you have one of these?
No. I don't cook.
Well, I got you a baking mitt, but I'm gonna get you a whisk too, because
Okay.
that's just, we can't have this.
Thank you. All right, it's unlocked now.
All right, then you flip this up. Just lift up the,
What?
yeah.
Oh. Whoa. Fancy.
Yes, yes. I
Okay.
love it. Kitchen stand badge. Boom.
Yay.
I'm very proud of you. Now I'm gonna have you, with a spatula, scoop in the butter.
All of it?
All of it in there, and then butter's at room temperature because it makes creaming together just a little bit easier. Then the
This
peanut
look,
butter.
I would eat this.
Isn't that good?
I love peanut butter.
Oh, same.
Oh, yum.
And I'm using a creamy peanut butter. You can use chunky if you want, but I just
I'm a
want our
creamy
cookies
guy.
to be smooth.
Yeah.
All right, now we're gonna add our sugars. We're gonna
Okay.
start with brown sugar. It's a little stickier, so really just, you can be aggressive to get it out of there. It really clumps together. And then the white granulated sugar pours in really easily. Now we're gonna cream together for a few minutes until it's light and fluffy, and then we're gonna put it on about
that
a
locked?
medium speed.
Oh my God, it's going.
Yeah, you did it!
I did it!
Yes!
Yay!
All right, turn off
Is it done?
this.
Okay.
And then you gotta scrape down the sides, like get that butter in there. When you're mixing up, the sides get a little forgotten about. They get left behind. So you gotta give them a scrape. See this white stuff down here?
Oh, okay.
Really get in there. You could get aggressive with it. You get on that side, just shove it down. Oh, yum. Okay, here you go.
Okay.
We're almost there.
So whenever you add stuff, do you lift this back up?
You can, unless you think you could easily get it in there without doing it. So
I just want to be
as time
efficient.
goes on, I get overconfident and I just go for it. But you are being very precise.
I
You
just
are earning those badges,
wanna
and
be
we are
as-
all proud.
Precise as possible.
Then we mix it up.
Okay.
Now, while that's mixing,
Okay.
last ingredient, vanilla extract. Okay, Ricky, we can turn them off.
All right.
Now,
That was easy.
we're gonna lift this again, and you're gonna add all of the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients.
Okay.
That
Oh,
looks
no,
great.
I spilled, but
It's so little.
bad.
It's so little.
lock it. Is it medium?
This is low.
So-
low. Good question. Put it on low.
Would it fly?
Oh, fly. Did I hit it with the spatula?
I don't know where it went.
Where'd it go? If you put it on a high speed, the flour's gonna poof, fly.
See, if
up.
I was alone, I'd probably do that by accident.
Yeah, that's
So-
it. See, we're learning these things.
So like,
That's good, that's good.
job.
This is
Okay.
great. And it will just go for a couple minutes. Uh-oh, look,
Uh-oh.
it's trying to get out of there.
I just saw that.
This is my small stand mixer, so this is the most cookies you can make in here.
How many does it make?
12, but they're large.
Yeah.
It's really like 2 dozen because these are large cookies. I mean,
Mm.
these are not cookies that you need to take 2 of, you know, milk and cookies like for dessert.
Oh, is this like cookie dough?
Yeah.
Ellie, they like just hit me.
Isn't
I
it
love
great?
Cookie dough. Yeah.
Our cookie dough is all made, and now we're gonna use our hands.
I'm
It's
so
gonna be great.
excited.
It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be
Yes.
great. And we're gonna shape it into a big disc right
Okay.
here. And we're gonna wrap it up tight and let it chill for 1 hour. Grab it, get that cookie dough.
Fun. It's like Play-Doh.
It's like edible Play-Doh.
fun.
And it tastes way better than Play-Doh.
I used to eat Play-Doh.
Okay, I'm gonna add this
So we're just making a giant blob.
giant disc. And you can divide it into and wrap in 2 different discs if you'd like it to chill faster, but we're just gonna make one big bad boy.
This is crazy. That's a giant cookie.
So I'm just gonna wrap it up tight and pop it in the fridge to chill for 1 hour. Then we're gonna roll it out.
So our cookie dough has chilled. We
Mm-hmm.
have unwrapped it. So what are we gonna do now?
Now we are going to roll it out. I've cut this into a half size to make it a
Okay.
little bit more manageable because it's quite large.
That looks good, as it is. I want to eat that. I need to
so
focus.
good. Focus, Ricky, focus. Take a pinch.
Okay.
It's just a little bit of flour, and you're just gonna sprinkle it down on the surface, whatever your work surface is, and this so the
Oh, see, I know
dough doesn't
this.
stick.
Because I make cookies at Chris's with my family.
And put a little bit on the rolling
Well, I
pin.
say make them. My mom makes them, then we decorate them.
Okay, there we go, there we go. Nice, nice, nice. Almost there. All right, Ricky, this is looking really good. And
Okay.
now we're gonna use our cookie cutters. Now, I could not find a fancy corn husk with the leaves, you know, the
So we're
things
getting
at the
creative
end.
here, okay.
So we're using 2. I just found this corn cookie cutter and then this kind of like maple leaf, but you
Okay.
can combine them. And I'm gonna show you how. This is really cool.
Okay.
So Ricky, I'm gonna have you cut out 2 of these, like one here and one here.
Now this, I have experience with.
Yes.
Christmas cookies, I've done this before. So
Okay.
I know
now
how to do
you're
this.
in business. I love it.
Okay.
Yeah, just push it down, give it a little jiggle.
Oh, I didn't jiggle
That's
it.
okay, you don't have to
Okay,
do that.
then over
That's just what I like to do. Try to give it a little jiggle. Try to really jiggle.
There we go, that was a good jiggle.
Yes. And then we're gonna do 2 corn.
I love corn.
We're gonna make a bunch of these. We're gonna re-roll this. I'm just using a spatula to help move them over to a baking sheet that I've got lined with a piece of parchment paper. So Ricky, when you bake, you wanna put down a piece of parchment paper.
Okay.
Not plastic wrap. Someone did that.
That's
so
probably- that
everybody
would melt
watching,
probably, right?
yeah, safety, everybody. You want
Okay.
parchment paper so they don't stick.
Parchment.
So you're gonna take this.
Okay.
I'll do the first one, then I'll have you do it, and then you pick kind of a place that you'd want them to line up.
Oh.
So I'm gonna do like right here,
Clever.
right? We cut out the bottom, just pull it out and put it over here with the rest of our dough. And then you take this little one.
Whoa.
And you line it up.
Look
Put
at
it
that.
together like a puzzle piece.
Wow, that looks like corn.
Okay, now I'm gonna have you do one.
All right.
Yeah, that looks good.
Yeah, you get out of here.
Get that out of there. This one kind of fell apart, so
I'll
you
do
just
it. I'll
scoop
do it in. I'll do it
Just-
in chunks.
You know what? And that works.
Yeah.
That's fine. It'll all bake together. You don't have to worry.
You can already tell which one's mine.
Perfect.
Look at the difference.
You know, and who cares? Because we're gonna cover it with cute little candies
That's
and
true.
icing.
No one will know. Yeah.
All right, so let's load up this tray and then pop them in the oven. First batch of cookies are assembled. Ricky, we've got to press the seams together.
Okay.
So using your fingers, just gently kind of press them together. Then we're gonna pop them in the refrigerator to chill for 15 minutes. This will help keep their shape as they bake.
Okay.
And we're gonna heat the oven to 350 degrees and bake them for about 12 minutes.
All right, the cookies have baked. They've had plenty of time to cool. So what now?
Now we're gonna decorate. This is my favorite part.
This
so
is the
I think
one
you're
part
gonna
I
love
know
this.
how to do.
Yes! Have you used a piping bag before?
No.
Okay. So this is just a piping bag, and if you
Okay.
don't have one of these at home, you could use like a sandwich bag or something you have around the kitchen. First tip that we're gonna use is a number 10.
Okay.
And they have hundreds of these. They have like hundreds of these tips in all different shapes and sizes.
Cool.
In the piping bag, I have some honey buttercream icing.
Yum.
It's so good. I'm just gonna have just a little taste
Yeah,
for
can
me
I
right
try it?
now. The recipe for this icing is also in the book. You'll have to try it.
Oh
it
my-
pairs really good. Right?
That's so good.
It's really good.
Whoa.
Okay, so we're gonna
Okay.
start with the corn. Hold your piping bag like this, and you just
gonna watch
press
you
for a
first.
little bit of control.
Okay.
You can go slow or as fast as you want. I'm gonna do an outline and then fill it in.
That looks hard.
You got
Okay.
it. You can do this.
Why did I say this is the easy part?
This is
I don't know why I
easy.
said that. The easy part was the mixer because it just did it for me.
And I got two little spatulas here. And what you can do is just flatten it out like this.
Okay.
Really
Oh, we're not making
gentle.
a design?
No,
I was being
you're
so
good.
careful with my little...
It looks great.
Okay, and then just like a splotch in the middle. Okay.
And if you have any excess, you can just wipe it off right there or eat it, whatever you'd like. All right, now let's stick some candies on. Ooh,
Yes, all
for
right.
the fun part. And this is why this is so easy, because there's no fancy icing and piping and fondant. You just stick these cute little candies on.
Just random?
Yeah, you could do this with the
Okay.
whole family, any order. So I like to start at the bottom. Boop. And then we're just gonna add to it. Yeah, perfect. And then we stack kind of on top of them, like that. And you just work your way up the cookie.
Oh my God, there we go. Mine's a little
Perfect.
not perfect, but
You're fast. Oh my gosh, Ricky, you beat me.
ha. This is my channel now.
Oh my gosh, it's yours. Take it. Oh my gosh, winner takes
Mine's
all.
a little, mine's a little sloppy, but whatever.
That looks so good. Oh my
you.
God, I have to hurry. Oh,
Yeah, hurry up.
How are you doing that? Oh my gosh. I actually am so slow. I'm so embarrassed. Okay, there we go. And now do this to the rest of your cookies for however many you made. Last and final decoration step. We've got some more honey buttercream icing, but we've got a new tip at the end. This is a number 366. 366, and that's just getting started. So
That's
it basically looks like a little mouth, like a little like fish mouth or something. It looks open, like he's gonna go nom, nom, nom,
Like a
nom, nom.
Pokemon.
Like he's gonna eat a little candy.
Yeah.
Nom, 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 nom. And I'm like, no. And we're gonna use these to pipe the husks on the corn that kind of look like these. This is the goal.
All right.
So you're gonna line it up
Okay.
like a little mouth, like that, and pipe a husk. And you just have to
Oh.
pull away at the end.
Okay.
So you put some pressure and pull away. Put some pressure and pull away. Like that.
Pressure.
Yep. And
Pull away.
Yes!
Okay. It's scary, but it's fun.
Ricky!
Am I doing it?
You're doing so good.
Thank you.
Somebody might find themselves with a piping badge. A boom!
I got a piping badge.
You can layer them. You can just do single layers depending on if you like icing or you don't like icing.
Love icing.
Right here, if you put a lot of pressure, it will come out wider. Or if you do
Oh.
less pressure, it will come out more narrow.
Okay.
So it's really whatever you want. All right, then you're gonna do this to the rest of your cookies.
Ta-da!
Here are the harvest corn cookies that we made today. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and this video. This peanut butter cookie recipe is so delicious and so cute. And
that
I'm
was
so proud of
easy.
you.
Like, that was great.
Okay.
Yeah, I
And
love it.
look at all the badges.
Yes.
that Ricky has earned today.
They're in real life. They're right here.
So many badges.
I'm so proud.
You went from a beginner to now like intermediate baker.
Yeah.
In one day. It's possible. You learned so many
That's
things.
still a stretch. I'm an advanced beginner.
Advanced
We'll say
beginner.
that.
Okay, I like that. That's a good place to be. That is a step up. Again, I'm going to be posting all of Ricky's links down below, so go check him out, show him some love, and subscribe.
Thank you.
And also, go follow his cute, adorable pig, Luna. I'm putting her links down there too. Oh my gosh, this peanut butter cookie recipe is so good, so amazing. I'll be posting a bunch of pictures on social media and the recipe. And if you guys make these cookies, please take a picture and send it to me. I love seeing your baking creations. It just makes me happy. It makes my day. And if there's any other baking videos you'd like to see, please let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will do my best to make it happen. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And I hope you guys are having a happy fall. I am. I'm baking treats, and I finally got to bake with Ricky, so like...
I finally baked, period.
I'm like pretty excited.
This
and
was
you
fun.
finally baked.
I finally baked.
Did it for the badges.
Yeah.
Did it for
I'm
the
glad
badges.
I learned with you. Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, we have to do it again and do a different treat.
Yeah.
Maybe a cake?
I'm down. I want to learn how to do a cake. Cake next time.
Okay, deal.
Yeah.
Okay, deal.
A pig cake. Can we do a pig cake?
Yes, we can.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Yes.
Piggy cake. All right, now let's take a bite.
Oh my God, okay.
Okay, let's pick. These are massive. I told you, you don't need 2 of these.
You're right, yeah, the one's
Aren't
good.
they massive? I
Yeah.
mean, this is like
Oh,
2
oops.
cookies. You have one of these and a little glass of like milk, almond milk, whatever you fancy. Which end do we bite for? 2 cookies. See?
I'd
It's
say
2
this bite because
cookies.
it has the buttercream and the Reese's.
Okay,
You
ready?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Whoa.
So much peanut butter. It's so good.
Oh my God.
If you like peanut butter,
I love peanut butter.
this recipe is for you.
This is so good.
I'm gonna do a messy bite over here too.
Yeah, I'm gonna try this side.
Cookies with icing on them are
Oh
just
my
like,
God.
are you kidding me?
This is delicious.
These are so good.
Wow.
Bye guys.
Goodbye.
Subscribe, like, check all the boxes. What else can you do on
Share
YouTube?
it. I don't know, what else is there?
Ring his bell. That sounds wrong.
It really does.
Like, when I'm like, go to
Ring my
Ricky's
bell.
channel and ring his bell. Like, I feel like that's wrong, but do it.